not that soft, but the fish keep eating my bait. Come on. Oh.
Huh. Mikael caught another one. He's catching them back to back to back to back.
Holy heck, bro. Joy.
Hmm.
I think I made his mouth shut completely.
Oh no, you're okay. You can get the hook out. That's good. As long as you don't hook him in the gill, like his fin.
Oh. Like what I did,
They're all over here now.
They're all over here now, and you gotta go over there so you can meet with your other friends that are really lonely, that don't get a piece of bread, and then so you don't get that fat, which you're supposed to. What? And then go into a bluegill, and then you can be like a 10-pounder, which is the world record for a bluegill, which the world record holds 4-pound bluegill. But if I keep eating it, then you can become a
The 10-pounder bluegill right here. Yep. Caught a fish. Caught a fish on a McChicken.
Oh, that was a big one.
Wow.
What was that?
Just love McChickens. Sure do.
Something that's from bread. No. No.
I know. I want to try it out. See how it looks.
Like the French fries.
Caught one. Let's go. Finally. Get our Faith. Finally, another one.
You got one for me?
Yeah.
Daddy, is my golden one?
Yeah, a little shiny one.
I just see my bait getting eaten by fish.
Really?
Look. Holy. Golly.
Yeah, that's enough.
Let's go.
Woo!
But it's not the one that I...
It's not the big one. Yep.
That was easily like a 1-pound one.
Huh? He's not gonna bite you, mommy. His teeth are no sharp like ours. Sarah heard what they said. She laughed, thinking, I am too old. God asked Abraham, why did Sarah laugh? Anything is possible with the Lord. Sure enough, the next year Sarah had a baby. They named him Isaac.